Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell notification to the right. What is holistic health? In this video, you are going to learn all about holistic health. Holistic health is actually an approach to life. Rather than focusing only on illnesses or parts of the body which are not well, holistic health considers the whole person and how he or she interacts with his environment. It is about the connection of the mind, the body, and the spirit. To achieve maximum well-being, where everything is functioning the best as possible, people take responsibility for their own level of well-being through everyday life choices. Living in harmony with nature is one of the best approaches to holistic health. In fact, famous philosopher Socrates even once said that, "For the part can never be well unless the whole is well." Holistic health was very popular as far back as 5,000 years in India and China. In modern society, holistic health has fallen out of favor as Western societies with scientific medical advances have created a dramatic shift in the concept of health. Western societies believe that germs were outside invaders that cause diseases, and to become healthy is simply a process of killing these invaders with drugs. Many people believe that modern medicine can fix problems as they develop. However, sometimes modern medicine can actually cause more problems that are even more harmful than the disease. The basic principles of holistic health is that the whole is made up of interdependent parts. Just as Earth is made up of systems such as air, land, water, plants, and animal, life on Earth cannot be sustained if even just one element is missing. An individual is also made up of interdependent parts. We have our physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual side. When one part is not working, it impacts all other parts of the person. Think about a time when you are anxious about an exam or a job interview. This nervousness can actually cause a physical reaction like a headache or stomach pain. Or think about when you get mad at your spouse and you hold onto that resentment for a long time. That negative energy can turn into serious illness. Our daily choices in what we consume, either physically and mentally, really impacts our health. Holistic health emphasizes the connection of mind, body, and spirit. The whole is greater than the sum of its parts. The parts of a whole are in intimate interconnection such that they cannot exist or be understood independently of the whole. If you enjoyed this video on holistic health, make sure you hit the like button, hit subscribe, and the bell notification to the right so that anytime a new video is created, you will be notified immediately. Our channel focuses on holistic health and meditation. What other videos about holistic health are you interested in? Drop a comment below and we will be sure to address it in our next video.